Welcome back, everyone. Hello. Today it pains me to do this, but as you see, I'm cutting out the rotted bodywork. Because it looks like they've tried to put some, that might be factory stuff there, but this was supposed to be paid and repaired previously from the last body shop guy. So I needed to get in here and see what we're dealing with. So they used some type of sealer, which I'm okay with, from the factory. I'm gonna get this piece out. Looks okay still. Just so rotted out. I didn't want to have to deal with this again, so it's never been done as far as I can tell. I ground out all the spot welds in here. So now I can prep this and get this done. Get this cleaned up, get this going. This is some muck from OEM. And then here's my cutout piece. So it's not an exact fitment, but it's better than rotted out. Hello? Goodbye. Sweet. Thanks for watching.